Okay, welcome everybody. We're going to have a quick little lecture on some new commands that will dramatically help you for today's assignment. My recommendation is you follow along as I do it up on the screen here. So as we always do, I'm going to New Project, New Drawing, and I'm doing my basic template. Here's our template. And then you'll normally be drawing in the object layer, but just so you can see it on my screen here, I'm going to draw in our 0 layer. I'm going to start by drawing 2 circles, and I'll have these be vertical to each other here, or horizontal. And so if I want to draw lines from the top of this circle, do a couple setting changes here. All right, so normally we've had all of our object snap settings selected here. So when I go to draw something on my circle here, if I want to draw a line connecting the tops and the tops and the bottoms and the bottoms, I can quickly and easily do that. The problem is, what if these circles are right next to each other? So now if I want to draw a line, well, let's see, I'm going to kind of snap it here, and it looks like it goes to maybe here. But then as I zoom in, I see I got this kind of funky thing here. So it's not really connecting at the right spot. So what we need to do is our object snap settings, and we're going to, for this one, this is kind of the only one that all of your other object snaps need to be turned off except for tangent. And as the symbol implies here, it's for drawing lines on circles. Now when I go and draw my line, you'll notice as I get near my circle here, I get a new symbol. It has a circle with a line on the top. This is our tangent, and then as I draw my line, you'll notice my line moves around my circle. Look how cool that is. So it's aligned perfectly. And then as I go over to my other circle, you'll notice I get the same symbol, and even if I don't snap it right, you'll notice I click right here, my line automatically snapped, so it's perfectly aligned along here. So I'm going to do the same thing for the bottom. And then for today's assignment, you'll have to do a little trimming here, so trim up these 2 lines. And there we have it. Perfect Band-Aid. It's called tangent. It's in your object snap function here. So right-click, settings. And for this function to work, you need to have, you should have all of your other settings turned off except for tangent. The one that it conflicts with most is nearest, because nearest is anywhere on your circle. So these 2 different types of object snapping settings are in conflict with each other. So got to make sure that I just turn them all off and just keep it on tangent when using tangent. Any questions on that? You'll see that will make today's assignment a lot easier.